Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and let me show you how to perform the security scan on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications and here let's find and select the settings. Now scroll down and choose device maintenance. Here you need to choose device security and in order to scan your device, choose scan phone. The device is performing the security scan. Scan is complete, there is no threat, there is no risk or any other malware or other viruses on this device, so everything went well. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.